It is so much fun. Just take some time if you are like seeing your clients every day. Just take some time, about an hour or two, to take care of yourself, like self-care. So you get a nice set of nails, so you always feel happy. And plus, wherever you go is advertising for your business. Now you can be stopped at like gas stations. Well, it's not like it used to be before. Like people still see your nails anyway. If you go to the store, they're not gonna get closer to you like it used to be before because of COVID-19. But they still able to ask, and you can like hand on the business card. Like, yeah, it's done by me. Come see me at ABC salons. You know, we do all different fancy nail art and all different sort of custom nails. And here is a coupon. I don't know if you have coupons like for first time or not. It's depend on your salon, but it's one of the marketing's way you can absolutely get your names out. Because we always continue building a clientele. Like say if you have a client that being loyal to you for so many years, and then now they are in military, for instance, they move, or they somehow, some way they move, things change, you know. So you always continue building a new clientele. But I don't get that. So you put it together, make sure it looks like. There you go. Sorry, I couldn't see that. All right. Hey Daisy, how are you? Great. And I'm gonna do this one, and we are going to cure it. I already have condensed glue gel for all of you just tuning in. Here's a condensed glue gel, but I applied on, you know, the index, the middle fingers, and then the pinky. So now I am going to apply the no wipe top coat. So and I'm gonna find really smaller size, probably size SS3 and then SS 4, 5. A good decent size, but it's not too small. And I'm gonna get a little bit space between them, so you can still see the butterflies. We're sort of connecting that crystal together. How's everyone doing today? I'm so excited to see you all. A lot of you were asking for the sticker. I want to see stickers for butterflies, and then 3D. Oh, that is not gonna be able to like the crystal, the sticker will stay on without it, you know, coming off. So I'm doing like have a zigzag like this, like an S shape, like that. You don't have to do matchy, but if you want to, oop, I think that one is sliced off for just somehow a second. Or maybe I touch it, I didn't realize it, I'm not sure. But it's really cool though, because this will not cure until you are key under LED light. So then if you need to adjusting it before you cure, absolutely. So I'm go ahead and cure this nails, this hand for 60 seconds.